So this is the way how you make a pizza. These are the doughs, and my boy, he's removing the dough right now. Here it is. Next step. What is this?
We're gonna make it into a square.
What is this?
What? This is corn milk.
Okay, now what you're gonna do now?
We're gonna make this into a square
Sure.
so I could cut it and make it into twists.
Go ahead.
The dough does not like to cooperate sometimes because it's really sticky.
Got it.
You want to even it out. We'll go big sides and we'll go small sides.
Got it.
Like this. Then you're gonna load. Then we're gonna grab the cutter. Cut. Like this. And again. Again. We're gonna make 8. So each is 8, right? We're gonna make 16. So move this off. Stretch a little bit. Put your finger like this. Twist it. But that's all it is. If it breaks, you can just mold it back together.
They did wait for me, but I didn't know who he was. Best employee, Chris. What time?
You're gonna make 16?
8.
Okay.
8 on each platter.
Got it.
That's 8 right there.
Got it.
Then we're gonna take one of these,
Mm-hmm.
grab it so it doesn't fall.
Mm-hmm.
Each one can stay for 2 hours.
12 hours?
2 hours.
2 hours, okay.
So 2 hours from now is 6 o'clock.
Alright.
And then make the other one.